Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, now we will learn about counting cycle. Do you know what's that counting cycle? Counting cycle is the holistic process of recording and processing all financial transactions of a company. So, the cycle repeats itself every fiscal year as long as a company remains in business. The accounting cycle incorporates all the account is the first is transaction, second journal entries, the third is posting, so trial balance, so worksheet, and six is adjusting entries, so financial statements, and last is closing the books. And transaction is financial transaction start the process. Transaction may include a debt payoff, any purchase or acquisitions of assets, sales revenue, or any expense incurred. So the second is journal entries. Journal entries with the transaction set in place. The next step is to record those entries in the company's journal in chronological order. And the third is posting to the general ledger or GL. The journal entries are then posted to the general ledger where a summary of all transactions to individual accounts can be seen. The fourth is trial balance. At the end of the accounting period, which may be quarterly, monthly, or yearly depending on the company, a total balance is calculated for the accounts. So, worksheet. When the debits and credits on the trial balance don't match, the bookkeeper must look for errors and make corrective adjustments that are tracked on a worksheet. So, adjusting entries. At the end of the company's accounting period, adjusting entries must be posted to accounts for accruals and dividends. So, financial statement, the balance sheet, income statement, and cash flow statement can be prepared using the correct balance. And last is closing the books. The revenue and expense accounts are closed and zeroed out for the next accounting cycle. Balance sheet accounts are not closed because they show the company's financial positions at a certain point in time. And the accounting cycle that refers their general ledger, accounting cycle general ledger, that is the general ledger serves as the eyes and ears of bookkeepers and accountants and shows all financial transactions within a business. And the second is accounting cycle fundamentals. That is, to fully understand the accounting cycle, it's important to have a sure understanding of the basic accounting principles. And third is additional resources. Thanks for checking out CVI's guide and overview of the accounting cycle. And to learn more, see the CFI resources below. Is the first financial accounting theory, and the second is analysis of financial statements. The third is revenue recognition principle. The fourth is accounting careers. And the last is free accounting course. Free accounting course is learn accounting fundamentals and how to read financial statements with CVI's free online accounting classes. Maybe enough from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.